it's BYJU'S. We can. Oh, wow, see, they've given this chick thing, and we are
Hey guys, click on this red color subscribe button and click the bell icon to watch my latest 360 videos.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Omita and welcome back to Bhushan360 videos. Today's video we're gonna show what Bhaiya?
What, Omita?
What?
In today's video, I'm gonna give a special gift to Omita360. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Yes, Omita?
What gift are you going to give us?
It is a very surprise gift I'm gonna give you, Omita. It's a Diwali special gift for you. Let's get into the video. Click on red color subscribe button and click the bell icon to watch my latest 360 videos.
Yeah, I'm very excited today to see my beautiful gift.
दोस्तों आज की इस वीडियो में मैंने ओमिता 360 के लिए गिफ्ट लिया है। वो मैंने क्या गिफ्ट है वो सब मैं आज की इस वीडियो में आप सभी को बताने वाला हूँ। तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम चलिए दोस्तों आपको ये गिफ्ट दिखाता हूँ। ओमिता आप एक्साइटेड हो इस गिफ्ट के लिए?
हाँ भाई, मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ इस गिफ्ट के लिए।
तो दोस्तों चलिए मैं अभी ओमिता 360 को इसका गिफ्ट दिखाता हूँ।
क्या है?
Your gift is here. See, BYJU'S the all-in-one personalized learning app kit. तो दोस्तों
Thank you, mother.
वेलकम ओमिता। दोस्तों आप देख सकते हैं इस BYJU'S the learning app के किट को ओमिता 360 अनबॉक्स करने वाले हैं।
Today I'm going to unbox BYJU'S the all-in-one personalized learning app kit.
Omita, which tablet you want, Omita?
Oh, I want this one.
You want Samsung one?
Yes.
So Omita, this is your BYJU'S kit. Let's unbox the kit.
Yes, let's unbox the kit. Let me see what's inside it.
Yes.
Oh, inside it there is an BYJU'S all-in-one personalized learning app bag. So let's.
Okay.
It's for school bag. I'll take it to school tomorrow.
Next. And guys, there is another bag for Bhushan360 videos. Thank you very much BYJU'S for sending me this bag. This is my bag for Bhushan360 YouTuber.
Let's see what's more inside.
And Omita, inside there is special gift for you.
Oh, it's a bag.
Omita, you wanna unbox this BYJU'S kit?
Yes, I want to unbox this BYJU'S. Guys, so let's unbox this BYJU'S the learning app kit. So guys, see, you can see over here it's BYJU'S. We can see here is BYJU'S, and here in the back they have given some details that the courses are available. So guys, this is our kit. So let's unbox this kit. So we will just open it. Oh wow! See guys, over here BYJU'S learning app. Again they have given their mentor helpline. Mentor helpline is if you want something, if you want to ask any details about it, so you can ask. Customer support, it's for the customer, and mentor helpline is for the children. Okay, so they have given some numbers. Now see here BYJU'S learning app. It's a bag where it's a little small pouch where we have to keep our memory cards. See over here, oh wow, they have given this chick thing, and we have to, oh my memory card is, see this little tiny Sundex memory card which we have got right now, and it's for class 4. Let's keep it right now over here. Afterwards we'll insert in our tab. Let me close it and keep it aside. Over here you can see this is the all new, it's a card, and it's a class 4 card. Come fall in love with BYJU'S. It's very good, and here is code. Let's keep this aside, and here we get this. And guys, there is guide for installation purpose. So let's open and see, check it out. So here we have to insert our tab in our BYJU'S tab, and here we have to log in. We have to put some mobile number, and here you get our mobile sessions of BYJU'S. You can come fall in love with BYJU'S. Here you can see this connecting SD card and all. You can see guys for class 4. And do you know guys, Bhushan360 is going to set up it. You can see you have to go and you can come fall in love with BYJU'S. Keep it aside.
Again installation.
Again, we get the installation card for some other purpose. Let's see what purpose it is. Let's open it. Oh, so hard. Yeah. So here they have given us two ES loader, which we have to open from that side. Just read it out. Check out the information and keep it aside. Oh wow, it's super amazing. Do you know why we have got two? Because one for me and another for Bhushan360. Let's open it. Oh wow, it's just to put. There's a safety pin and you have to put it over here like this. Not on. You have to put it on S. Okay, there are two. This BYJU'S and one other is there, which is also of Proud BYJU'S, which contains some kit. Our kit is finished now. Bhushan360 is going to install this kit into a tab.
What you want?
I want the Samsung tab.
Okay, so you want this tab. So I'm gonna insert this SD card into this tab and let's set up our BYJU'S kit.
Yeah, let's do it early because I want to see the.
And this is our BYJU'S kit. And now we're gonna insert this SD card from BYJU'S the learning app. Let me remove this. Omita's SD card. SanDisk is a 16 GB memory card. SD card. So let me insert this SD card in this Samsung tab. See, I had inserted the SD card in this tablet. So let me switch it on this tablet. See guys, now you need to install the BYJU'S premium app from File Manager. So Omita, give me that password. So guys, this is // password. This password I'm gonna type here. And see guys, Omita's BYJU'S learning app, the kit is ready. You can enjoy your BYJU'S premium kit.
Thank you, bye bye. Thank you.
So Omita, this is a BYJU'S kit.
Oh, so good, so good. Show me. Wow, it's so good.
If you want to buy this BYJU'S kit, follow me on Instagram, Bhushan360. So you will get 20% discount on BYJU'S learning app kit.
Lamborghini chalai janiyo. Lamborghini chalai.
Omita360.
Sannadi chattale. Let me sing this song. It's my favorite.
So wait Omita, after.
video, like, subscribe and comment in the description box. Bye, and also thank you for watching our video. Lamborghini chalai.
We need to make a video, Omita, please.
Let me sing my song, yeah.
Click on the red color subscribe button and click the bell icon to watch.